Hi everybody, I'm back here in Southwood Circle and I noticed this sign. It may have been put up before, but throughout the path along the river in Southwood Circle here, there was a new planting of a whole bunch of trees, as well as throughout the site a number of trees have been taken down, and there is a commitment for trees that were taken down to replace them with at least 2 trees, as well as for the trees that were taken down. I understand that they were taken to be milled, so the wood from them is actually going to be used for some purpose as well, so it won't be just disposed of. So if you're coming through Southwood Circle along the trail here, take a stop, check out the sign that's here around the species that were restored and the bank remediation stabilization that's here. Bye.